In a substation, the high-voltage switchgear controls and protects the network from power outages and facilitates reliable electricity supply. In certain cases, the need for rapid energization or mobile installations requires switchgear solutions with compact footprint, minimal lead time, and reliable technology. Hitachi Energy's integrated multifunctional products, IMPs, are flexible switchgear solutions with compact footprint for fast power deployment up to 420 kilovolt applications. Designed for utilities, industry, data centers, and renewable energy sources, the modular and prefabricated switchgear applications are based on gas-insulated and hybrid switchgear technologies. IMP presents various designs and customization options through integrated GIS applications, IGA, and the multifunctional modules, MFM. IMP is designed, assembled, and tested within the factories, significantly reducing project lead time by up to 40% compared with conventional switchgear. The compact design allows standard transportation and contributes to rapid project energization. In the initial project stages, remote engineering using augmented reality ensures cost-effective planning and higher quality during project execution. The built-in switchgear intelligence for monitoring and diagnostics enables smart capabilities for the lowest operational downtime and improved reliability. IMP is capable of withstanding extreme temperatures and environmental conditions. Integrated multifunctional products. The ideal switchgear solutions for rapid energization to enable a sustainable, flexible, and secure energy system for all.